how to create a contact in Outlook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will be showing you how you can easily create or add a new contact in your Outlook application. So as here you can see, I have opened my Outlook in Windows 11 and now I will show you how to add a new contact. So in order to add a new contact in your Outlook, the first thing that you will need to do is click onto this People tab over the left hand side. And once you have clicked onto this People tab, you can see this button that says New Contact. You can also click onto this drop down arrow, and from here you can also choose to add a new contact list as well. But since now we only want to add a new contact, so you can click onto this New Contact button. And now you can see that our form has appeared. Now from here you can type in their first name, and after typing in their first name you can also choose to type in their last name. From here you can add their email address as well. So for example, let's say I have added this email address, and from here you can also choose to add their phone number as well. So after you are done with these things, you also have some other tags as well, like a work field, category, or some other field of your choice. Also you can add notes if you want. And once you have done all this, you can click onto this save button, and it says saving, and now you can see that a contact has been successfully created for Emma. So that's how easily you can create a new contact in your Outlook. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or more questions to ask, then feel free to ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.